So the goats are resting today. Okay, it's kind of past 2 p.m. Not even kind of past. It's 2 p.m. right now. The goats have been feeding since morning, and right now they are resting, or we hope that they are resting. But they also want to get out. I don't know why. um, but this is the new house that I constructed. They are cleaner now. They are, at least you can see their original color, which is white. And I want to get some time to just come and do their hoofs. But let me know, how do you like the structure? Do you like the structure? The goat structure. Whoa! Can you see where the goats have put my tripod? My tripod that cost money. This is serious. I need to get it, and I don't know why one of the stands is not working. And that's our biggest back. Yeah. Is sitting on at the door like a boss. So the goats want to get out. They still want to go to the house, but the house is very clean. Let me just show you how it is. Here, it's quite huge. It can hold more than 100 or so. Right now we are at 40. I hope that we are going to get more. So this dude, at night, he disappeared. He's just returned. We don't know where he's coming from. So I'm hoping that he has not been eating our neighbor's chicken. And then they will come and tell me that I need to pay for it. But this is how the goat structure looks like. This is the behind. And we are also going to construct an additional run. So the run that we had was small. It was a tiny one. So let me just show you. So this is like the entire run that we had. So we are going to change that, and we've added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is very close. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, but we've added a bigger run. And also what I wanted is, because if you see, this doesn't have a tree or a shade. So over here, this is a very good shade, and we have a nice shade over here. So the 2 trees will be inside the run, or part of the run, which will be helpful for us, because the goats can just come and rest here where there's a little bit of sun. I'm not sure why this is here, because I know. So it means that we will not have like a fence inside the house. Okay, makes sense, because we don't want them here. So we are going to put a wire over here. Okay, and just expand it this side. So the only down part of it is, I've lost the cement that we used in between the poles, but we're going to remove these poles so that now the goats can be here, can rest over here. I think it's okay for now, and I think it's a big one. So this is a little bit bigger, and like this place we can even have wire, and when we bring in when I buy new goats, we can be having like a quarantine place over here. Like we can put a run or a separation when we have new goats, or if we want to have like a separation when we want to do the spraying. But I love how this place looks like for now, and how the trees give shade to the run instead of them just being on the sun. So yeah, so this is the behind, that's the front, and we'll have like a gate over there. So I think it's going to work out, and it's going to be a perfect one. Thank you so much for joining us today. If this is your kind of video, please like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.